Disaster prevention function. One package radio, Hazard Talk. Hazard Talk is being introduced by major companies and government agencies nationwide. Let me introduce some examples of Hazard Talk's implementation. Three, two, it's going to shake soon. Please protect your head. There was a big earthquake just now. Is everyone at the factory and branch okay? This is the New York branch, 0 injuries. Houston, no abnormalities. Japan, no abnormalities. Understood. Hazard Talk allows communication in any weather and significantly reduces information gathering time. Furthermore, with a 050 number, it can communicate with other devices like satellite phones. Hello? Hello. There was a big earthquake. I went to the site and couldn't get it. It's the 50th floor. I'm in trouble because the satellite phone won't connect. Hello? 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 It doesn't connect when it's raining or snowing. We've arrived at the riverside. No flooding at the moment. Updating the current situation. Hazard Talk enables visualization of the site. Essential for emergency decision-making, allowing simultaneous sharing with stakeholders through photos taken at the disaster site, checking the site photos. On the management screen, the number of cases the crisis management personnel should handle is displayed, and it automatically reflects when, where, and whose report it is on the map and timeline, allowing for editing. It can also be sorted by urgency level. It allows real-time simultaneous sharing with stakeholders. Hazard Talk is waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant, effective even on rainy days. Unlike satellite phones that require an umbrella outdoors, it can be used safely at disaster sites and is usable even during normal times. Hazard Talk M1 is a smartphone type with a quick PTT button for radio communication. It has multiple redundant communication carriers for more stable calls, dual SIM, FM radio, a large 4,000 mAh battery, and business apps, making it a disaster radio that can be used regularly. Telenet's Disaster Prevention Radio, the Hazard Talk series. It serves as a powerful BCP tool, from everyday voice communication to visualizing disaster sites during emergencies.